Are you using email marketing in your business but not getting enough results? Email marketing is super effective provided if you know how to use it in the right way. In this video, I'm going to talk about the number one reason why your email marketing is failing and how to fix it. Okay. Hi, I'm Dr. Karuna. I'm a veterinarian turned digital entrepreneur. Okay. So let's talk about what is the number one reason or number one mistake why email marketing is failing in your business. Okay. So the topic is, what is the number one mistake in email marketing? Okay. See, the number one mistake in email marketing is you're not cleaning up your list. It doesn't matter if you have 100 emails. It doesn't matter if you have 1 lakh emails or 1 million emails. Okay. All it matters is how you are managing your email list. There is a saying, right? Money is in the list. It is very, very true. Okay. The people who are in your email list, they are all real people. They all have the capability to pay you money. If you manage them well through your email, then you have real paying customers in queue. You see, email marketing is super, super effective. Most companies and most people are using it right, and most people are not using it right also. Okay. I'm here to solve that problem of how to solve that problem of not using the email marketing right way. In my own personal business, I'm using email marketing very, very effective. Okay. Of course, I learned this from my mentors and I'm applying it. And I learned over a period of time through trial and error. Okay. You need to clean up your email list every month. Okay. What do I mean by cleaning up? Okay. See, you'll get a lot of new subscribers through various marketing activities, right? Okay. Maybe people who are not interested in your products and service, they may also might join because of various reasons. Maybe initially they may have in the business, but currently they may not be in the business, or they may change their career also altogether. Okay, there are multiple reasons when it comes to people are not opening your emails. Okay, see why cleaning up is important, because see, for example, if you are sending emails 3 times in a week or 4 times in a week, okay, whatever may be the strategy. Okay, for example, you have 1,000 lists. Okay, very minimum, very basic. Okay, among 1,000, 100 people are not opening the emails at all. Okay, they're not caring about whatever you're sending. They are just it's just a waste of money and waste of time. Okay, they don't even care whatever you're doing. Okay, if you keep on sending the emails consistently to those 100 people who are not even opening the emails, okay, guess what's going to happen? It's going to affect the other 900 people also. How? Because all the email pro- providers, right? Gmail, Outlook, the algorithm is very, very smart. If you are sending the email to same persons who are not even opening, guess what? They'll put you in the spam group. They'll put you in the spam list. And also the worst thing is, if you keep on sending only promotion messages, then definite. And also the another fatal mistake is you can keep on sending the images alone. The Gmail and Outlook algorithm is very, very smart. If you just keep on sending the promotional message, like images, like e-commerce product, like offers and deals, they'll immediately identify and they'll put you in the spam group. Okay, so the very logical way to improve your open reach, to improve your click rate, is to cleaning up the people who are not active, who are not engaging with your content, with your message, with your products, with whatever you are saying. Just identify who are all the people who are not engaging with your content, with who are not engaging with your products and services. Just delete them. I know it is controversial, but what will happen if you delete them? Okay, it's going to have a good impact on the existing subscribers who are active, and also your email open rate is going to be very high, your click rate is going to be very high, and because of that your sales is going to be very high, and your deliverability is also going to increase, because they're not going to put you in the spam list. Okay, this is a very important strategy. Most people, they are afraid to delete. Okay, just before recording this meeting, I just deleted 500 of my subscribers, okay, who are not active for the past 30 days. I don't even care. Okay, if they are not engaging with my content, if I could not able to add value, then they are not meant to be in my list. Okay, you need to be ruthless when it comes to email marketing. Okay, this is the number one reason why people are not getting results. They will they will be in the spam folder, and that is the surest way to go down. Instead of increasing your open rate, increasing your email click rate, it'll go down. Okay, so cleaning up your email list is the very important strategy, and if you're not doing that, this is the fatal mistake. Okay, so I'll just walk you through what I will do exactly. Okay, I'll just share my screen and tell you exactly what I'll do. Okay, this is my email marketing platform, is that I'm using ConvertKit. Okay, that's my email marketing platform. When you go to subscribers, okay, so you can see, right, confirmed subscribers, unconfirmed, cancelled, complaint, you can do all those things. But when you click those cold subscribers, okay, you will get to see people who are all cold, which is 562 people who are not engaging in the content. Okay, see the blue, right, it is delivered, but they are not even opening. Okay, but okay, these are all the people who are not engaging with my content every single day. These out of 3653 subscribers, these are all the people who are not engaging. Okay, but if I have to go back to the other things, like say people who are engaging, I know exactly who are all engaging and who are all not engaging. Okay, if I see blue button, sorry, if I see green button, it is engaging. If I see only blue, they are not engaging with my content regularly. Okay, so when you go to this, okay, you'll understand exactly who are all people who are not engaging and who are all people who are engaging. Okay, what I need to do, I have just created a separate tag of cold subscribers. See, these are all active. Career Masterclass 3046, right, they're all active subscribers. Okay, which means they are engaging with my content at least within 30 days. Okay, they are opening up mail, they're reading. Okay, these cold subscribers, I've created a separate tag, and I'll give specific messages to them. Okay, if they are not opening in those sequence also, then I don't even care, I'm going to delete that. Okay, I'm sending one message. This is my process. I'll send one message. Hey, I've been noticing that you're not active in my email list. Okay, if for some reason, if you do not want to be in this email list, you don't need to take any action. But for some reason, if you want to be in my emailing list, okay, you need to click this link to confirm that you're getting some value from this. And if they click that, then I'm going to put some another automation to make sure that they are getting into the active subscription list. People who are not clicking in the cold subscriber list, it's going to automatically delete. Okay, like that, I'm going to set the automation. Okay, so this is how you need to manage the list. What will happen if you uh, delete those cold subscribers? That's where the magic is going to happen. Your open rate is going to improve, your click rate is going to improve, your deliverability is going to improve. You will have more credibility among the email provider platform, which is ConvertKit or other platform, whatever you're using. Okay, and you should consciously delete subscribers every 30 days, people who are not engaging in your list. If you're not doing this, it is not going to help you, it is going to hurt you in the long run. Okay, this is what I've learned, and this is what I'm consistently implementing also. Okay, so please do not do this mistake. I just want to genuinely share this message with you. That's why I'm coming and sharing with you. Okay, so if you feel this video is useful, if you feel that this strategy is useful for you, okay, I suggest whatever the strategy I'm using, okay, I would love to share that. And the recommended tool is, I'm using ConvertKit. I recommend you also because the automation is beautiful, the visual thing is beautiful, and you can create wonders, right? And you can, this is a very, very good platform to identify overall inactive subscribers. Okay, I've just identified, right, who are cold subscribers. I just need to select that and I need to put them in another tag, and I need to automate the sequence. If people are not engaging in that, just go and delete it. Okay, it's a beautiful platform. You can go and use that. I'm going to put the description, I'm going to put the link in the description. Okay, you can use that link with, that's my affiliate link. Okay, you can go and use that link and you can set up a free account so that you understand the power of email marketing. Most companies, they will just rely on the power of email marketing alone. They'll make massive sales using the email marketing. Okay, if you are not using it, just start using the power of email marketing. If you need my help, just I'm going to drop my email also in the description. You can just message me, you can just mail me. I'm going to, with your requirements, if possible we can work together. Okay, and the recommended tool is ConvertKit. That is what I'm using. Okay, I'm going to put the link in the description. Go ahead and set up a free account and make use of it. Okay, with that being said, this is a very short video, but there's an important message I want to communicate with people who are using email marketing or who are going to use email marketing. Okay, so that is what working for me, and this will work like charm. Okay, 100% this strategy will work. Just go ahead and blindly implement this. Okay, and be ruthless about people who are not active in your subscribing list. Okay, if this video was useful so far, okay, I would, I want you to subscribe this channel so that you will get notified on my future videos. Like this video and comment below what is that you learn from more from this. Okay, and if you want more about this, okay, just type it in the chat comment box. What would you like to learn more? Okay, subscribe this channel. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.